Hi everyone, today I will show you how to filter and organize your Yahoo email. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser and go to Yahoo email. Here on the right side, click on the gear icon, then click on More Settings. Now on the left side, look for the filters option. Once here, click on the Add New Filters option and it will give you the option to edit filter. Here, name whatever you want the filter to be. Then then you can set rules to then you can set rules for how it should be filtered, such as from whom you are receiving it, to whom it was sent to, or by the subject name or by the body. You can even select a specific phrase to, to filter out. Then select where it should be moved to. Or if you have made folders, add your folder name here. Then click Save. Once it's saved, now it will start filtering your emails and organize it as you have filtered. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful to you.